Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Hope all of you are doing well. Today this is another play to earn game. I'm going to discuss with you. I have already covered this game in channel before. This is Mintopoly, but this is a special edition or special round of this game. Today is Mintopoly's second year anniversary, so they have announced a huge prizes to all the players, and you can see the prizes are 5 lakh tokens split evenly between contributors. I will go through all the things, how to contribute, how to play, everything I'll cover. But before going into the game, first discuss the prizes. What are the prizes? Now let's see the top 5 highest ranked player will take home 5 down to 1 legendary Minto each depending on the rank. 1 is equal to 5 boxes, 5 is equal to 1 box, right? Two legendary Minto to the top contributor with one epic to the runner up. That's nice. The top 100 rank player will be entered into a random drawing to win a Mintopoly collaboration NFT. That's a good amount. That's a very priced NFT. If you get it, that will give you some good amount in future. Obviously, in nowadays, if you want to sell it at OpenSea, you can sell it with good amount of Ethereum or USDT. At the round's end, the player who land in rank special ranks, these are the special ranks, they will get 20 PIP. Okay, 220 and 100, but you cannot predict that you cannot make any strategy that you will end up at rank number 20 or rank number 100. You have to keep on playing, but after the play you will be able to know that what's your rank. So don't think about the particular rank. You just keep on playing and try to earn as much as possible in terms of your contributions. One player with more twos on the explorer at round's end will win a legendary minto. Anyone who completes the round with exactly 100 of each assets type, exactly 100 of each asset type, I'm going to explain that too, that what that does that mean. And with a max of 2 forks will be entered into random drawing for epic minto. For every 1%, that is 1 lakh. Oh no, 10 lakh. Yes, 1 million. This is a contributor towards the contribution goal. You will unlock a tire of minto chest. 1% is common, 2% is uncommon, claimed to be launchpad after the round ends. Okay, these are the list of prizes I have explained. This game has started uh, last evening, 3900 blocks ago, and total goal is 10 billion. Okay, usually they have a target of 1 billion, but as this is a special episode, so they are targeting for 10 billions. What you have to do, you can see that 0.160 something has been contributed. So this is the main aim of the game. You have to contribute your mintopoly. You can see I am having 0.0046 something I have earned. So if I wish to contribute, I can. But right now it's waste of contribution, waste of strategy even. And this is the staking area. Whatever you have earned, you can put it into stake, and at that earning, you will yield 0.0220% compound interest on each block. That is very good. Think, because every block you will keep on earning something, and these are the mining rigs. Say for these are the actually this is a simulator mining game. So these are the mining rigs. You can buy mining rigs at the price what you are gaining. So let me show you. Well, I am going to buy two mining rigs because look, I am going to buy this two mining rig, and each will generate 22 0.000022, and you can see I have to spend 0.0017 something, and you can see my every block is earning, my earning is 4,344. If I buy two mining rigs, then 44 will be added, and you can see 4,000. Of course, there are four zeros in the prefix, but after that, after four zeros, you can see 4,344, and after adding those 44, it will end up 4,388. Let me show you, and it will decrease the amount of cash in 0.0017. Let's check what's the thing going on. Well, you can see it decreased the cash whatever I had, and this is the earning I have increased. This must be your strategy, that you have to generate, you have to unlock those miners, and you have to buy those things so that you can generate more amount per block. At the end of this round, you will they will check that what's your rank. You can see my current rank is 80. So first, out of 251, only 251 players are there. So if you join here, you have a golden opportunity to get something. Of course, I will give the link that from where you can join, and this is play to earn game. You don't have to pay anything. This game is on Polygon blockchain, so you just connect your Polygon account, and that's all. You can start playing. So you have to buy those mining rigs, and there are one more important point I must discuss, that you can see that is one hard fork. Hard fork means if you click on hard fork, whatever your earning is right now, they will all earning will go to zero, and you will get 50. If I hard fork right now, I will get 15% boost on every amount of each block earning. Right now I can't show you, because if I do it, it will eventually lose my progress. As I am getting a bit progress, it will eventually lose my progress, as well as a staking pool will get zero, everything will get zero, and my earning will get zero. As this is only 15% boost I will get, so I am not going to get it right now. I will take when I will get at least 5,000 or 10,000 boost, then I will click on hard fork, and everything, every generates amount will increase by that much amount. But this will not get increased, that unlock for 20 token, that will not increase, only this portion will get increased. Initial cost will not get increased, mind it. So you have to keep your strategy clear, and you have to think properly, then when you will click on hard fork, and when you will buy a new rig or new slab, you can say, and when you will contribute towards the goal, 10 billion goal. My strategy is I will take my first hard fork after 5,000 increase. When this amount will go to 5,000, I will click on first time hard fork, and after that I will click another time on 1 lakh or something. And before that I am not going to contribute anything, because If I contribute right now, it will be very less amount, but I have to contribute at least, you can see here it's written, you have to contribute as at least this much amount. So if I contribute only 0.003, it will not going to help to reach towards the goal, as well as my contribution will not be calculated. So better if you keep on increasing the percentage of hard fork, as well as keep on increasing the amount you are earning per block. Then after 2 or 3 hard forks, you will see that you are earning, say for 1000 or 2000 coin per block. Then after 100 block or after 200 blocks, you can start contributing. That will be the best strategy for me. So if you wish to follow this strategy, you too can follow, but that's your choice. But I would like to suggest that try this game at least for this week, because they are giving away a huge amount of prizes. If you are playing, if you are lucky enough and if you play good, then you will definitely get your prize, and that will be not a bad amount. At As this is a free to play, so whatever you will get, that is nice amount, I guess. Thank you very much for watching, and do check in description, as well as I will pin the link of this game, so you can check the game's link in description, as well in comment section. So if you are willing to play this game, you can start. Thank you very much.